winning keys left and right. Oh yeah, here we go. Me and the Independents. We're gonna have a party. His boys are gonna try to come and save him. Not today. Not today. We're on an intercept course. Yeah, we're gonna intercept. We're gonna take you down. Switching to HE. Let's roll! Oh yeah. So as soon as he comes around this mountain, buddy. As soon as he comes around this mountain. Oh yeah, they have no support for this guy. A part of me feels a little sad. And a part of me is like, I don't give a damn. Wow, those don't kill him. Good lord. Did he really? Wow, I think he really did dance you. Yeah. Woo!
Confirmed penetration.
Yeah. Good day, sir. Good day. Woo!
Enemy aircraft carrier blown up.
Woo! Yeah! Hold on. Dang! Yo, SWAT is assholes. Alright, so he's dead. Let's go hunting. Probably need to swing this back in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna swing over here to like A. After I check this corner. Or did everybody? No, everybody's in A. Woo! Man, I'm gonna swing over here to B. I'd rather live. I'd rather live. Yeah, because I can see that corner. I would have seen it by now. Yeah, let's just swing it over here. Got 1 minute on my gas over here. Yeah, actually. Cool. Ah, there we go. I see where you are. You're right there, sonny boy. Yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, we got that. Just whip it. Could have sensed that was going to happen. Yep. I sensed it. I saw that you were going to do that, buddy. Oh, he's coming for me. Can you tell me what this night will hold and what we are playing? I know tonight, later on, we're going to play, of course, more of this. But we're going to attempt to stream some GTA, fellas. We got at least 3 out of the 4 people of my crew. We're going to ham it up. We're going to go and get this done. Yo, this is not going to be easy. He's right there. He is right there. He knows. So we're going to... Wow. He's a spite. Shit. We're going to go hide over here real quick. We're going to run over here and hide. He's no dummy. He knows what's happening. I think what I'm going to do, though, just because it's going to be funny, is... I don't know if it's going to be funny, because I don't want to live. I don't know what my distance is. Yeah, we're gonna swing real close. We're gonna throw some torpedoes at this kid. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're trying to drop stuff on me. Yep, he knows. He knows. He knows what's about to happen to him. Oh, yeah, so I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in on him. And if I can get this kid, it's gonna be GG. Alright. I'm japped. Alright, so he's turning his guns this way. So let me shake and bake a little this way. Yeah, because he is definitely... Come on. Ooh, that one hit me. That one hit. Whoa! Yeah, I was about to get on the 6 here.
Problem solved, sir.
Wow.
The enemy is about to win.
Come on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, this is GG. But we're gonna...
Engine damage. Problem solved, sir. The enemy team has taken the lead.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, now you gotta turn into him. Come on. Come on. Give me a hit, boys. Come on. Thank you. Woo!
Destroyed an enemy battleship.
Yes. All right, guys, we got 2 on us right there. We're gonna lose like a champion, though. We're heading straight into A. Yeah, heading to A. That's it. Well, shit. Got ourselves another problem, boys. This guy right here. Let's go. All right. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's do a little swizzle.
Our victory is in sight.
Whoa! Man. What is shooting me? What is shooting me? Okay.
Problem solved, sir.
And they're getting C. God bless America. Come on! Got A. Alright, we're getting A. Come on. Wow. Why is the whole fleet over here? That makes no sense. I don't know why they're over here. Come on. Come on, let's try to get A. Let's get A, and I'm gonna run straight to B. Come on. Come on. We should have A by the time I get here. Alright, and we're good. Let's go. Let's go! Mad rush. Mad rush. Alright, we're gonna sneak in here. We're gonna play games with this guy.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
Woo! Alright, boys. That's, we lost, but damn. That was nice. We did that smoke action. Barely missed me.